Alright, so I'm recording audio on my phone and the screen on here. But anyways, this is the quick fix to the touchpad issue. You will have this if you're using some weird controller or if you're using DS4 Windows. So I've got a quick fix for it. Now, if you don't know about the issue, it's basically this. Let me turn the shitty notification off. So this controller is a weird PS4 controller, but it's got the Xbox inputs. So now that's why the site detects it as a Xbox 360 controller. Anyways, if we go to PS4 or PS3, PS5 controller, even though I'm not pressing the touchpad, it is giving me this issue where it's just spamming touchpad. Now this is without me even having DS4 Windows enabled, or sorry, it is enabled, but I don't know why it's not opening. So open, I don't know, man, the same my computer's, my brother's running weird. But anyways, okay, so even if I stop this and I refresh, it's still gonna give me the same issue. Now to fix this, what we do is, so when I start this, since this is some weird controller, it's not going to detect any controllers here, but that's not a problem. If we go to output slots in DS4 Windows and click on plug here, I don't know what doesn't open first try. Yeah, I'm trying to flip and open it, mate. There we go. So here it says device type X360 and dynamic. Don't touch dynamic. Just change X360 to DS4, and now you will see. So even if I go on the site, select Xbox, and go here quickly. So now when I accept this, it's going to change to PS4 controller automatically. And as you can see, that the issue has been fixed. Now for some reason the touchpad does not get detected on here, but that's just because of the controller that I'm using right now. But yeah, that's literally it. That's the fix. You no longer need to disable the touchpad button in the URL. You can just go and use this by default, and even in the generated URL, no issues. Okay. But yeah, this is going to be in one of the first decent videos in the help forum. Yeah.